I watched all these videos on YouTube talking about making Seedance 2.0 videos for free and unlimited, but every time I try something, it doesn't work. I tried Dola AI and it asked me to pay first to be able to use the AI video generation feature. I tried other ones as well, but the credits are barely enough to create only one video per month, and that's what the case most of the time, until I found this website which allows you to create 2 videos per day using Seedance 2.0 and for free. And I did some calculations and I find out that if you have 4 accounts on this website, you can make like 8 videos per day for free, which means that you can generate 240 videos per month. And that's really good because if you go to OpenArt and check the available subscriptions, you're gonna find out that the essential one gives you like 4,000 credits. To make a video using Seedance 2.0 on OpenArt, it costs like 800 credits. And since the Seedance 2.0 Fast usually costs half of the price, that means you will be able to do only 10 videos per month before you run out of credits. And the only plan that's gonna make you create around 250 videos per month is a Wonder plan, which costs like $175 per month. This website we are talking about today is probably the only one to make Seedance 2.0 videos completely for free, and it doesn't even have a pro plan. The website is Dola AI, so let's try it out and see how it works. You can access the website by writing Dola AI in the Google search bar, then click on the first result. Hit login, then continue with Google, choose your Gmail account, hit continue, confirm your age, and that's it. You are logged in. The first feature I want to try is the text-to-video option. And to do that, simply go to the chat box down there, write the prompt, choose create video, choose your preferred ratio, and hit generate. After doing so, it's gonna tell you that it will use 2 points of your daily free 4 points to generate this video, and it will let you know when it's done. Usually it takes around 5 minutes for each generation. I did a mistake here by writing yes to answer this question, and apparently it started generating another video for the same prompt. But anyway, after a few minutes, here are the results. Now I want to make another video using the image to video feature. To do that, hit the reference image button down there and then choose an image to upload. Change the ratio to match your preferences, write the prompt of the video, and hit generate. Wait around 5 minutes for the video to be generated, and here is the final result. Until now, everything is good so far, but there is an annoying issue in this website. If you try to use an image having a person in it, it's gonna reject the process in the middle and tell you that the videos cannot be generated from images having real people in it, even if the image is AI generated. So put this in consideration when you generate videos on this website. But after all, it's completely free and worth trying. And that's it for today. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to leave a nice comment to support the channel. A like would be nice as well. And see you in the next one.